Hello everyone, let's do a different video today. It's an unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new keyboard, the Logitech G512 Carbon. This keyboard is a pretty good sounding keyboard for a pretty small budget. But anyway, let's get on with the unboxing. It comes in a box like this. And this box comes inside of that box. Let's open it up. Let's get the keyboard out. It comes with a Logitech sticker. Let's get rid of the box. Now I'm going to take the plastic off. Rip, rip, rip. Now let's get the cable out. WSBs. Let's plug it in. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the sound test. Brace yourself for the disgusting spacebar. All the clips in this video were filmed with a Nikon D3400. Well, that's it for today, folks. Let me know of some ideas you have in the comments. I'm going to England from Australia tomorrow for 3 weeks, so I wouldn't expect any videos coming then. So goodbye, stay safe, stay well, and I'll see you soon.